Hi, everybody. It's Joy with your AI Wizards, and we are back for our AI Tip Tuesday. And today we're going to talk about how AI is your new referral partner. One of the objections I get often is, well, I build my business on referrals. And I get that, but things are changing, and AI search is the driver of what things are changing. And I want to give you, for instance, I was talking to a divorce attorney in the Northeast, and he said, I build my business on referrals. And I said, well, that may be true, but when people are looking for a sensitive subject or topic, trust me when I tell you they're searching online first. And getting a divorce is a sensitive subject. I don't see people calling and saying, look, my marriage is falling apart. Do you know a good divorce attorney? I do, however, see them looking online to ask what is or who is a good divorce attorney that deals with child custody, that deals with retirement options, that deals with infidelity. Those are the type of searches that people will search for and get an answer with Google AI or the AI search mode or ChatGPT or whatever LLM they're using. So for sensitive topics, definitely you want to be the answer that AI chooses because people are searching first. They might go to a referral partner, a friend, somebody who's gone through a divorce to see who their attorney was. But trust me when I tell you, they're searching online first. That's why you have to think of AI as being your new referral partner. And you want AI to be referring you all the time when someone is asking a question within your industry. Let's talk about mortgage brokers. So, if I was looking to buy a new house and get a mortgage, I don't know anything about mortgages right now because the last house I bought was a decade ago. So, I would search online for what are the best loans? What if I have bad credit? What if I have student loan debt? All of those things might be questions that I put in for my search, and Google will give an AI overview to that answer. And you want to be in that answer. And how you become that answer are the steps that we're working through with the different signals that we're talking about every single week. But it hit me like a ton of bricks this week when I had a couple of appointments and both of them said to me, well, I grow my business on referrals. Well, AI is your referral partner because when somebody searches online, you want to be the answer that comes up. So, when you're thinking about how to get referrals, you need to consider AI. And secondary to that is depending on the age group or the generation, they're going to be searching online more than other groups. Some of the data might be surprising, but all of the data shows that people search online, and you want to be the answer that comes up first. So each and every week, we talk about a different signal. Check out our YouTube channel. We go in depth on the different signals. We're adding new content every week. If you want to have more, information or learn more about it, please feel free to reach out to me at joy@youraiwizards.com because having AI as your new referral partner is going to be the way to grow your business. All right. Thanks so much. Take care.